Recently, I came across a channel posting animal X-ray style educational videos. And surprisingly, with just 12 uploads, they gained nearly 50,000 subscribers in only 9 days. Since we focus only on free and proven AI methods, today I am going to show you step by step how you can create similar skeleton style animal videos without spending any money. First, open ChatGPT. Go to the Explore GPT section and search for a model related to animal X-ray references. Start a chat and type the name of the animal you want to create a video about. For example, a dog. The model will generate several detailed image prompts. Copy the first complete prompt and go to Grok AI's text-to-image section. Paste the prompt and generate the image. You'll receive a green screen skeleton style image. Download the one you like most. Repeat this process with the remaining prompts to generate different views, like front angle and side angle. These images will act as your reusable character assets for future videos. Now return to ChatGPT and search for another GPT focused on generating animal X-ray scene ideas. Start a new chat and describe your concept clearly. What happens if a dog eats only steaks? The GPT will generate multiple cinematic scene prompts, including background details, actions, and camera angles. Go back to Grok AI, upload one of your skeleton images depending on the required angle. Paste the scene prompt and generate the full background scene. Download it and repeat for all the remaining scenes. After generating all images, use Grok's image to video feature. Upload the first scene image and describe motion in simple words. The dog curiously sniffing and biting the steak. Generate and download the clip. Repeat for the next scenes, gradually showing the dog eating more aggressively, gaining weight, becoming unhealthy, and ending dramatically. Now for the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a 5-scene narration, explaining month by month what happens if a dog eats only burgers. Keep each scene around 5 to 6 seconds long. Copy the script and paste it into any free text-to-speech website. Choose a natural voice, generate the audio, and download it. Finally, open your video editing software. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical format. Import all your clips in order and add the voiceover. Match each scene with narration, trim where necessary, mute the original sounds, and export your final video. That's it. Your educational animal X-ray shot is ready to upload.